Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at the Saint Laurent model Classic SL305 in color code 001. It's a black color frame. On the temples here we have a silver Saint Laurent logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are black. And the style of the frame is fashion cat eye. Up here we have a Saint Laurent case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.